Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the day that Dory and I, Dory from Dory's Dollies, give the theme for upcoming Amaya Raine Day on the 3rd, Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th, and Hi Barbie on the 18th of each month. It's a challenge. Just join in with any video you have using those dolls. Amaya Raine, you can use any rainbow high or shadow high doll, and it doesn't have to be Amaya. And the Dolls Gone Goth can be any doll that has, oh, even if it doesn't have an edge to her, we'd still love to see your dolls. And on Hi Barbie, oh my goodness, there are so many Barbies to choose from. Surely you have one in your collection. We would love for you to join in. Again, Amaya Raine on the 3rd of each month, Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th of each month, and Hi Barbie on the 18th. We're doing a theme across the board, that is, for each one, called Jeans and Heels. Pair of blue jeans, pair of cutoffs jeans, whatever you want to do with high heels. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Be sure to go by Dory's today because I'll bet she's got something really cute to show you. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to both our channels and to any doll channel you go by today.